Ripple has dismissed the SEC's appeal as mere noise that poses no threat to its business. This bold statement came from Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderoty, who suggested that the appeal could likely be dropped by the next U.S. administration. But what exactly are the arguments behind this appeal, and what could it mean for Ripple and the broader crypto community? Let's dive in. According to Stuart Alderoty, Ripple's CLO, the SEC's arguments for the appeal lack a solid foundation. He pointed out that the appeal essentially repeats claims already rejected by the district court. Alderoty described the case as more of a distraction than a genuine threat to Ripple's operations. He emphasized that Ripple continues to thrive and grow despite the ongoing legal disputes. Looking ahead, Alderoty expressed optimism that the U.S. would eventually adopt more innovation-friendly regulations. This provides hope for the crypto community that this case won't hinder the broader development of the ecosystem. At the core of the SEC's appeal is the classification of Ripple's XRP sales on digital exchanges and other distributions, including grants and donations. The SEC argues these transactions should be classified as investment contracts, requiring securities registration. Ripple has firmly rejected this claim. The company highlighted that Judge Annalisa Torres' earlier ruling clearly stated that XRP is not a security. Ripple also noted that both the SEC and its legal representatives have acknowledged that XRP, in itself, is not inherently a security, aligning it with the legal status of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ripple has also filed a cross-appeal to reinforce its argument that transactions can only be considered investment contracts if they involve explicit contractual rights and obligations. Ripple hinted at potential political motivations behind the lawsuit. The company accused the SEC of using the case as a means to expand its jurisdiction over the crypto industry. Ripple remains determined to push back against what it sees as overreach by the SEC to protect the broader crypto community. Alderoty even suggested that a new U.S. administration might drop the appeal altogether, reflecting Ripple's strong confidence in its position. Interestingly, Ripple emphasized that the appeal does not challenge XRP's legal status as a non-security. This provides clarity for XRP, placing it on the same legal footing as Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, the appeal still draws attention because it involves the legal interpretation of Ripple's transactions on digital markets. If the decision ultimately favors the SEC, the case could return to Judge Torres for further review. So, is the SEC's appeal really just noise, as Ripple claims, or is there a larger threat lurking behind it? One thing is certain. This case is a critical test for crypto regulation in the U.S. What do you think? Will Ripple continue to prevail? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in the crypto world.